Hi guys, Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg here. Beside me today is a all-new NauticStar 28XS. Now the NauticStar brand is something that just about everybody can enjoy, whether you're a first-time boat owner or a top-level executive of the world's largest boat and yacht retailer. This is something that you can get out on the water on and have a ton of fun. Before we hop on board, follow me up here. One thing that I noticed right off the bat is this impressive Carolina flare. Obviously going to give you a really smooth re-entry, a dry ride, and especially when coupled with the foam-filled stringer system, the construction in these boats is something to note. Let's hop on board and let's get to the interior. Back here we've got twin Yamaha F300s. These are some of the most reliable four-strokes on the market. Scratch that. Some of the most reliable four-strokes ever made. Beautiful paint too. They've got this little flake speck in here with this pearl paint. They look good and they're going to perform great also, and very fuel efficient engines too at that. As we make our way into the boat, I'm going to focus on three main points. One, you notice that you can do all the hardcore fishing that you want on this boat. Two, you're going to have a lot of the plushness between the upholstery and some of the different seating options, which we'll get to in a second. And number three, it's not going to break the bank compared to some of the other serious 28 footers in the market. So moving on back here, you notice we're going to have a oversized fish box, which also can be used as a cooler. It's got a drain down there. Then over here you have your first live well, your transom well. Keep all your baits nice and separated. And then right here you've got a cutting board. So if you wanted to go out and fish a tournament right now, who's stopping you? Referring to point number two about all the plushness in the boat, back here, got that nice transom seat, which is going to fold away for when you are fishing to grant you this big deck area right here. And of course, moving back to point number one, if you want to come around over here, you've got a second live well for all your hardcore fishing. So not one, but two live wells on this boat. Obviously here in Florida, it's a real live bait fishery, so it's really important to keep those baits nice and frisky. Then of course, next to the live well, got your little area right there to kind of put your stuff when you're not using it. Moving on over to the Helm Station, one of the other things that you're going to notice is, this is a new trend that you've seen in the last couple years, you've got the gel coat color match on the underside of the hardtop. I think that it really brings the whole boat together. Got a couple rocket launchers off to the side for when you're trolling for kingfish on the Gulf Coast. Moving around over here, you notice that this boat is equipped already with a 12-inch Simrad screen, and you got your Yamaha gauges, your Yamaha controls back here. Got a couple bolsters for driving, whether you're standing up or sitting down. Really great job here at the Helm Station. Hitting on those creature comforts once again, you see the oversized head compartment down inside the center console, actually something that a grown adult can sit in and not feel super cramped. Up here on the bow, NauticStar did a spectacular job on the social zone up here with all of the ample seating, well-appointed cup holders. You get up to the very bow, you notice that you have your windlass automatic anchor hauler and that hatch right there with your controls right there. And I didn't think that there was a perfect boat at the right price, but this is pretty darn close. So once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a NauticStar 28XS. Going to be a huge hit here on the Gulf Coast. Already is throughout the state, throughout the country as a matter of fact. Really excited about the brand. So come on down, let's get you out on the water. Bye guys.